Have you considered investing in Bitcoin but you don't know where to start? This is the video for you. I'm Matt from Shoe Capital, where we talk about all things personal finance, investing, and real estate. Let's first begin with what is Bitcoin. It is a peer-to-peer digital cash that allows you to transfer value without an intermediary, something that is becoming increasingly valuable in today's world. Now, there are many concerns associated with cryptocurrencies in general, and a lot has to do with the volatility and the security. Recent news headlines have seen Bitcoin's price surge to 69,000. It's now trading closer to 18,000 today, more than 60% off of its all-time high. And there's also been a lot of exchanges that have been exposed to hacking attempts, which have left some customers unable to withdraw their assets. So let's first bound what are the possible scenarios that we could have. Of course, you have your asset go to zero, but let's also include some bear and bull cases. Bear case of 0, bull case of 10x, and bull case of 100x. And let's also assume we're comfortable with 1% of our net worth invested in this new asset class. So worst case goes to 0, you lose 1% overall, you still have 99% of your net worth, you're going to be fine. But let's say you get the 10 times returns. So that increases your net worth overall 10% for 1% stake, or 100 times for 1% staked. So certainly something to consider to become a part of. But how do you get it and how do you secure it? You'll see a link in the description below to strike.me, which in my opinion in the United States is the lowest cost way to get your fiat onto the platform, buy some Bitcoin, and there are no network fees charged to move it to your own private storage. I recommend a cold storage wallet where you control the keys. You may have heard the phrase, not your keys, not your coins, where you can move it and use it at any time, not reliant on anyone else, but the network itself. Some common options are the Ledger, the Trezor, are the big two out there, so definitely do some research into those. But essentially it allows you to come up with a seed phrase where you can create your own private key, keep that private, and use that to digitally sign your transactions so only you have control over moving and sending those assets. So in review, we have a very volatile and new asset class in cryptocurrency, and I highly recommend you consider exploring Bitcoin as a part of your overall due diligence and research. There's definitely a lot of potential upside here if you're willing to stomach the volatility. If this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thanks.